Hello everyone, this is Dan from Tasco.com, and in this video I'm gonna make a quick setup and introduction to Raffle Play Woo. A So for those of you who are new to Raffles, this is one of the plugins in the WordPress repository, which is free, and I also have a premium version if you want to upgrade. So this video is only for the free version, how to set it up. Probably I'm gonna make a one for the premium as well. So let's go. So Raffle Play Woo, we have to look into WordPress repository. For those of you who already have it, I already have it. I installed it. So activate it. Once you activate it, you're gonna have this icon here on the left hand side on the menu, and I'm going to click on it, and it's gonna come in. The first time comes in with some instructions. After the instructions and purchase, do a test with the purchased tickets, this thing is gonna disappear. So what it says here, it says that you need to have a product, and that product has to be marked as a raffle, and it needs to have a number of raffle tickets that are going to be generated. So let's do that. So we have to go into product, create a new one. I have no products, create a new one here, and I'm going to name it raffle product. I'm gonna say one ticket. And the reason I'm gonna say one ticket, you're gonna see in a moment. So I'm gonna put price of one. And next thing is inventory. Yes, raffle play. So down here at the bottom of this tab, I'm gonna say raffle play product. Yes, and it's gonna be a number of raffle tickets. This is one. This is the number of raffle tickets per product that's gonna be generated. So if you have in the cart five as a quantity as a product, you're gonna get five raffle tickets. Okay, we're gonna get set that moment. A lot of people put it here like 1,000. Don't put 1,000. That's not total number of raffle tickets that you're gonna generate. It is the number of raffle tickets generated per product. Okay, multiplied by the quantity. And I'm gonna say this is going to set product image. Let's put an image here. Set product image. A No sidebar. I don't like that. And publish. So that's it. We have a raffle product now with one ticket generated. Once we have that, we have to go back into our raffle, and we have to make sure that our product is linked to the raffle. So there you go. The image is not here anymore. But what it says here is that no raffle tickets generated yet. Yeah, the raffle tickets are only generated for processing and completed at the moment. Okay. Some people ask me to have them generated on hold because some of you guys want to have bank checks payments, and that's going to be on hold, and other kind of payments. But once you have a payment processing or completed, the raffle ticket is going to be generated. No other way is going to be generated. All right. So for the moment, let's just leave it this way. We're going to save. We don't want anything to do in here at the moment. And I'm going to go to this page here, and I'm going to refresh. Oh, so here we go. This is our raffle product. So I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to add to cart. I'm going to have two as a quantity, and I'm gonna go to the checkout. Okay, a simple page, a cart, a product, and a checkout. Okay, so now I have two raffle tickets, right? I have one per product, and I have two as a quantity, so I get two raffle tickets. Okay, so if I'm gonna buy now, if I'm gonna complete the checkout, right, I'm gonna get the raffle tickets generated at the checkout, at the thank you page, not here, right? So the customer is not gonna see anything at the moment, right? So that's why I introduced a new feature that you can actually generate and show raffle tickets at the checkout before thank you page. So if I'm gonna enable it, we're gonna see them. So as I'm saying, this is off. I'm gonna turn it on. This is version 2.2.3, and it's gonna be released soon. And what I'm going to do, I'm gonna go back here. Once I do that, and I'm going to refresh the page, now the raffle tickets are going to show up here, and it says reserved for 6 minutes. Okay, so once you have that, yeah, the customer can actually see them and complete the checkout, right? These raffle tickets are going to be reserved for 6 minutes. After that, the page is going to refresh and no longer is going to be reserved. They're going to be deleted. Okay, so at the moment they are marked as uh, purchased, not purchased, but they are like marked as reserved for that person. All right, so if somebody comes in, so if I'm gonna open a new tab here, um, I can open it, or I can open it. I can open it. Anyway, my point is that if someone else comes in, the next generated raffle ticket is gonna be three. Okay, right. So let's go and finish that. Developer, developer at tasco.com. All right, DG. All right. So if I put a here at check check payments, the raffle tickets are not going to be generated anymore. You're not going to receive them in the email. All right, because check emails are only uh, creating on hold orders. Right? They are not processing or completed. But if you change that, you can actually uh, generate raffle tickets. So what I mean, I'm gonna put in a dummy card here and place order. So once I place this order, because I have it reserved, the tickets are not going to be generated again. They're just going to be marked as purchased, and the order is going to be uh, right. So once I get here, that's it. Thank you page. They are reserved already at the checkout. They are mine. I'm gonna have them. Right. So let's get back to here, and now if I'm gonna refresh, this message is going to disappear, right? We are all set with the raffle. We have our first raffle tickets. Now we can view the tickets in the next tab. And in here, I can actually see who, who actually bought tickets. We have more information here and everything like that. So far, we have one product, one raffle ticket. We have um, generating tickets at the checkout. The tickets are going to be, yeah, generate the checkout. What else do we need? We can change the how the ticket is going to be showing. We can put a different prefix. So if I put AAA and dash, or I can actually leave it empty if I want to. So what I mean is like instead of T is going to be AA, or I can actually change or I can actually change. So as you can see here, raffle products, I have one raffle product. This is going to tell me here. I can change it to gold as the background image for that. I have another video on how to change the format. There is a template on how to change um, and customize the raffle tickets here. Okay, I'll get an email, and also, yeah, I'll get an email if you want the premium version is going to be a PDF as well, but that's another video. So next thing we can actually go, if we go into orders now, we can actually view it in here as well. So in the orders we have a preview here, 1 and 2 raffle tickets. So if we go into the order as well, there are multiple places where I can see them. I'm not quite sure what this is, but so I can see raffle tickets here displayed again, right? So there are multiple places where I can actually see them where they are. Okay. Um, Next thing is what I want to talk about is email template. Email template. So here I can actually put in a header text. Where the header text show is gonna display. If I'm gonna save it, the header text is gonna display at the top of uh, here at the top of this table. I'll show you now in a moment. So here you go. It's gonna display raffle, and if I go back and raffle tickets, or I can say uh, your tickets. Um, I'm gonna save that, and that's gonna be displayed down here in the table. I'm not quite sure if you see pretty well. Um, so yeah, that's pretty much it. So now if I want, that's pretty much the raffle, all right, the free version. The premium version has a lot of other things. So now some people ask me, can I actually have multiple products for this raffle? Yeah, and you can actually have. So you can go into the products, and you can actually say, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create a new one. and I'm gonna say raffle product 3 tickets. So in here, I'm gonna say it's virtual. I'm gonna put a price of 5. And raffle play. Ooh, yes, it is. And I'm gonna generate 3 raffle tickets per quantity. Okay. And I'm gonna say no sidebar because I don't like it. And save the product image. I'm gonna add. Um, yeah, I'm gonna put a t-shirt. So save product image and what else? And that's it. Publish. In the premium version, you can actually do something different. Okay. Uh, Premium version you can have what I have it variable products, or you can actually have like a drop down. If you're familiar with variable products, you can have a drop down and select 1 ticket, 3 tickets, 5 tickets, 10, 20, whatever, you know. So all right, so if we're gonna go to the all products, and now we have down here on the side or right side, we have 3 and 1 raffle tickets. If we go into the raffle, we have them displayed here as well. So now we go back to our checkout, and you know what, we go back to home, and now we have 3 tickets, and I'm gonna add 2 at the checkout. Remember, these 2 products belong to the same raffle. Okay, so now I'm gonna put 1 at the cart, and I should have 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 raffle products, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, so I have 7 raffle products now. Okay. Um, yeah, this is pretty much it. This is how the raffle is. So as I was saying, if I play by check is not going to be displayed because the order is going to be on hold. So going back here, what else I can actually do? Generate raffle tickets at the checkout. You can actually reserve time. You can change the time here in minutes. You can put it to 2 or 3. It's up to you. I will recommend 6. Okay, if you have the premium version, you can actually have a countdown. I have a video on how to have countdowns. What is the countdown? Uh, Countdown settings. Oh, this is in premium version. It doesn't display anywhere, does it? No, I don't think so. Oh, this is going to be something like this, but you can actually customize it with colors, the minutes and the labels and everything can change it there. It's pretty customizable. This is in the premium version. And then the reserve time, you can change the reserve time, and this uh, D here is going to be replaced with, oops, is going to be replaced with this number. All right, so it says reserve for 6 minutes, and then message after reserve time has passed, you can say they are no longer reserved. Thank you. It's going to be generating a thank you page. And for those of you who have the classic checkout, okay, the old one, you can have, you can select whatever you want the position on that page. But with the blocks, it's only, I have only in 3 places. So product list, or I can say after the total section. So if I go here and then refresh it, so it's going to be after total here, not after order summary. It's going to be down here, right? So reserved for 6 minutes. So yeah, this is the raffle tickets. Yeah, with the latest version, I introduced this generate and show raffle tickets at the checkout. If you want the premium version you can create, you can have a lot of other features on the view tickets. You can delete, print tickets. Um, what else? You can create multiple raffles. um, yeah, you can do a lot of things. You can create multiple raffles, and then you can save the winners. You can run promotions. I have a video on promotions, on how to run promotions, like giving free tickets based on the amount of expenses that the customer does at the checkout. um, so yeah, it's this is what it is. You know, the things with this gold star is the premium versions features. So yeah, if you have any comments, or drop me an email and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm not quite sure if I cover everything, but if you have the premium version, yeah, that's the one that I want to say. You can click on this bar here on this link, and it's gonna take you to tasco.com, and then you can buy the ticket, the sorry, the raffle plugin. And this one 129 is gonna have you have a lifetime license. Okay, no restrictions there, and then you have free updates for 6 months and support as well. And this one comes in with free updates on the plugin for 1 year and support for 1 year. This is going to be working with websites that are not hosted on WordPress.com, let's say GoDaddy.com or Let's Host.com, or this kind of websites, third party. If you are hosting with WordPress.com, this is the one that you have to go for. It's built differently for WordPress.com, so yeah, it's for their website if you are hosting it there. All right, so if you buy that one, you get an email and the instructions are gonna be there. Right, so yeah, this is pretty much it. If you have any questions, drop me an email. I will get back to you as fast as I can. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye bye.